An Essay on Crimes and Punishments by Cesar Beccaria. Chapter 3. Consequences of the Foregoing Principles. The laws only can determine the punishment of crimes, and the authority of making penal laws can only reside with the legislator, who represents the whole society united by the social compact. No magistrate, then, as he is one of the society, can, with justice, inflict on any other member of the same society punishment that is not ordained by the laws, but as a punishment increased beyond the degree fixed by the law is the just punishment, with the addition of another. It follows that no magistrate, even under the pretense of zeal or the public good, should increase the punishment already determined by the laws. If every individual be bound to society, society is equally bound to him by a contract which, from its nature, equally binds both parties. This obligation, which descends from the throne to the cottage, and equally binds the highest and lowest of mankind, signifies nothing more than that it is the interest of all that conventions which are useful to the greatest number should be punctually observed. The violation of this compact by any individual is an introduction to anarchy. The sovereign, who represents the society itself, can only make general laws to bind the members, but it belongs not to him to judge whether any individual has violated the social compact or incurred the punishment in consequence. For in this case, there are two parties, one represented by the sovereign, who insists upon the violation of the contract, and the other is the person accused, who denies it. It is necessary, then, that there should be a third person to decide this contest, that is to say, a judge or magistrate, from whose determination there should be no appeal, and this determination should consist of a simple affirmation or negation of fact. If it can only be proved that the severity of punishments, though not immediately contrary to the public good or to the end for which they were intended, to prevent crimes, be useless, then such severity would be contrary to those beneficent virtues, which are the consequence of enlightened reason, which instructs the sovereign to wish rather to govern men in a state of freedom and happiness than of slavery. It would also be contrary to justice and the social compact. An Essay on Crimes and Punishments by Cesar Beccaria.